I'm bored with how many people are like use cursor is like the new shit in AI and like oh my god you can do so much things. It's just a fucking I don't see the plus of it. Like okay yeah I can use it directly from here and do some generate, which this is like GitHub Copilot and others. It's the same shit. Like okay it's able to scan my code base in a way. And like even on this example, like yeah, you scan my code base and you got some tokens and whatever, some understanding. And I asked it like, okay, create me a README file, and it did a shitty fucking job because it's like, okay, this is with this, but then this goes out. So basically, it's not one. And usually, what I do in this case is like create a bash script that will generate the README file. So basically, I'm telling it like, okay, do it like this, so I can have the all of the text generated by directly terminal. Let's start a new terminal. And I would expect if you are already having something like this to have this kind of like, okay, if somebody wants to generate code base, which will be code, uncode code, because basically also like sometimes when you put it into ChatGPT or others, you will have this problem with something being formatted or not. And I would expect it to have already like implemented these kind of things. So let's try to run this. We have the readme here, some key bindings, blah blah blah. Let's see. Yeah, and this will properly create all of the readme. And if we go to like md view online markdown like preview, when we do this, yeah, we see that, except that it forgot to do this, but except that, yeah, we have all of the things. So I would expect it to be able to do this kind of things by its own, because currently if I create this, can I apply it directly? Apply to readme? No, that's stupid. I don't want it. This is a bash script. I would want to be able to run it directly. And okay, how to complete it? Tab to install, clone, blah blah blah. And this is why, for example, I created Codex Gigantus, and it's free and you can use it, and it does the same thing almost. Like, let's, do we have an example here? Or actually you can run it directly. I have it somewhere. Codex Gigantus. Okay, this will try to run everything, and you have a lot of flags. So basically is you get the whole code base, but then you can say like, okay, give me just files from that directory, ignore that specific file, like you have a binary file, ignore that specific directory. So you have for uh, you have like on node you have the folder where all of the modules are installed that you do not want, exclude specific extensions or include specific extension, do it recursively or not. Sometimes you want to have the full code base, or sometimes you want just to like give me the size of the results to know if it's gonna fit into an LLM, or give me just the function, like I want to know how things are moving, what's the moving part, and not the whole thing. So basically you can do all of this with this, and then this you can pipe it to an LLM, and this is what I usually do, like okay, create me the file, like this is, for example, give me all of the functions. Oh fuck, and if I zoom, this is like VS Code shit. How do you zoom only one of them? Can you if I do that? Okay, never mind. X, and you have like here is gonna tell me like just okay, this is the specific function, and basically this is what it needs, and usually I will get this, and like let's say this is for the util. So now I did it in cursor. Let's see if if I will do it directly in chat, and let's use the preview. Generate a readme file for this project, create the MD file and also a bash script that will generate the MD file because you suck at not escaping in ChatGPT. But yeah, let's not explain too much and give it all of this, and let's see what we'll understand out of this. And this will need to be upgraded. Like basically currently this only gives me the function, like it's too literal. And something that I want to do is, instead of giving me just the functions, I want to like give me functions and some other stuff, but just don't go into the details, so it better understand the context of the code. So it's trying to understand the different things. Credential, table of view, and you see this is the same issue with escaping this, because you start the rhythm there, and then when you finish this tree, then you auto go out of it, and we have, okay, that's much better. Usage, create a new spreadsheet, write data. And now, because I already know like all of this is shit, I'm like, no man, do it the proper way, do it like this. And then we have all of this which we can save, but in this case we don't need to save, we need to just like, let's put everything, and we will use no not you, we will use you. It's like readme dot md caps lock or not caps lock. No, this is not caps lock. Okay, we will remove it. So even if it's not caps lock, did it change this one? That's weird. Okay, and now we can check it in the live preview. So instead of having this shit, and yeah, I know probably if I would have given that to the preview in Cursor, it would have given me also a better explanation. Okay, these are not all of the commands. Run with, and it's stupid that it's also listing the run with and blah blah, like the specific function. But yeah, doesn't matter. It's like, it's good that it's verbose, and probably I can ask for more stuff. But this, like all of this that it got, is just from this how much, 10, yeah, less than 10K of code, and it was able to infer all of this based on just looking at this. Doesn't need to understand more than this. So I think it's really powerful, and something like this can be used more generally. Like this is currently tailored for Go scripts, but like even the stuff with like the generating the code is, yeah, like most of the time the readme will not be, and I know this is just one specific quirk, but yeah, like I don't know, for me Cursor is not that special. Like, okay, I have this and I have some context where I can put a file and stuff like that, but for me it's like, yeah, this is why I build this, that allows me to give, not this allows me to have everything that I need inside the code base, and it gives me exactly what I need, and then I copy it, paste it. Probably if I want, I can create a VS Code extension or a Golang extension or plugin that will be like, okay, you have this, feed it directly and commit back, and basically this is what this kind of does. And yeah, like okay, now we have the code base, but yeah, for me it's not. I don't see the magic of it. I see just an animation web and yeah, like I don't know. I don't understand. Help me understand cursor. Like, what's the magic with it? Why are people so wow about it?